An unspoken traditional notion among many senior level leaders is that fear is a good thing and benefits an organization. But is that true? Let's take a look at fear in leadership. Fear is an unpleasant emotion caused by the belief that someone or something is dangerous, likely to cause pain, or a threat. And indeed, fear can be a powerful motivator, but many of today's leaders are learning that an environment that reflects care and respect for people is much more effective than one in which people are fearful. And we've learned that a fear-based organization loses its best people and their knowledge. In addition, even if those people stay with the organization, they typically don't perform up to their real capabilities. There's strong evidence that people who experience positive emotions at work perform better. Showing respect and trust also allows people to feel emotionally connected to their work, and their lives are richer and more balanced. Leaders can rely on negative emotions such as fear to fuel productive work, but by doing so, they may slowly destroy a person's spirit, which ultimately is bad for employees and the organization. After all, it's just not good influence. The workplace and leaders can hold many types of fear, including the fear of failure, of change, of personal loss, of being judged, and of the boss. Fears prevent people from doing their best, from taking risks, and from challenging the status quo. Fear gets in the way of people feeling good about their work, themselves, and the organization. It creates an atmosphere in which people feel powerless, so their confidence, commitment, enthusiasm, imagination, and motivation are diminished. One major drawback of leading with fear is that it creates avoidance behaviors because no one wants to make a mistake. Fear in the workplace weakens trust and communication. Employees feel threatened by repercussions if they speak up about work-related concerns. The relationship between an employee and his or her direct leader is the primary factor in the level of fear experienced at work. Unfortunately, the legacy of fear and mistrust associated with traditional hierarchies in which bosses gave orders and employees jumped to obey or else still colors the life in many organizations. Leaders can create a new environment that enables people to feel safe speaking their minds.